Since we are not using the data from a population, and it's difficult to obtain population data because it is costly and time-consuming, we don't know the true values of the two population parameters, namely beta-0 intercept and beta-1 slope coefficient. They are unknown parameters. We rely only on sample data, so we will estimate the values of intercept and slope coefficient using the sample data of 12 observations through linear regression. The intercept is now denoted by small Latin b0 and slope coefficient is now denoted by small Latin b1. Both of them are considered estimated parameters or fitted parameters. Take note that some resources use different symbols, since some of them started with population parameters of B0 for intercept and B1 for slope coefficient, then the corresponding estimated parameters will be B0 hat for estimated or sample intercept and B1 hat for estimated or sample slope coefficient. Hat sign means they are predicted values. Nevertheless, the main concept and meaning are the same regardless of symbol. Linear regression helps determine the values of estimated parameters, which are B0 and B1, and the line of best fit that minimize the sum of squared errors between actual observation and predicted values in regression line. Least squares method of determining the line of best fit will be discussed more on other video. Well, thanks to Excel, we can immediately obtain the values of estimated intercept, estimated slope coefficient, and the line of best fit with its corresponding linear equation. From Data tab, click Data Analysis, highlight Regression, and click OK. Choose values of y, including its level, as input y range, and choose values of x and its level as input x range. Check Label box. Under Output option, check Output Range and choose a cell where you want to say the summary output. Finally, click OK. Summary output show intercept of 25.985. Our slope coefficient was named as trade show is pending, the name of our independent variable x. It has value of 4.6172. From this information, we have the line of best fit equation y hat is equal to 25.985 plus 4.6172x. We can obtain the line of best fit through scatter plot. In scatter plot, click the plus sign, chart elements will appear. Here, the line of best fit is called trend line. Check it and then a straight line will appear. To know the corresponding equation, click the arrow sign, click More Options, click Display Equation on Chart. The equation is now appearing, although in different order. Still, it shows 25.985 as our intercept and 4.6172 as the slope coefficient. Same results with Data Analysis Tool. Our estimated linear regression equation based on sample data says that predicted value of cells is equal to 25.985 plus 4.6172 times amount of trade show spending. We will use this equation for prediction.